Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to add foundations and a floor to our entrance and a stair for our entrance. So I need to, for first thing first, I need to have a street level below the ground floor and below it a top of foundation. How can I do this? Actually, I'll go to the north and let's see. North, or let's go to the south. Yeah, let's go to the south, not north. I'll delete the north, and I see something like this. How can I add my level? I'll just go to architecture and the datum panel, and here's the level. I'll press LL on my keyboard, and I'll go to the pick lines, and I'll say, let's have an 85 centimeters of this, and click, and I want to have 285 centimeters from where? From here. You see, from the ground. I'm clicking on the ground, not the level 5. Just click on it, and let's go to uh, change the name of them. Okay, as you can see, this is interfering with this, and what I should do is that I'll just click on this, and here's something. It says add elbow. I'll add elbow, and something like this will be created. I'll just drag it something like this, and I try to modify it, make some justification, fine tune it, and I'll click on this. I'll say street level. Okay, street level, and it says, would you like to rename? Yes, I will say, and I'll rename this. I can rename it from here, and if you remember, I can remember it. If you can remember, we can name it here. I'll say top of foundation. Okay, and it says, would you like to rename? Yeah, and something like this has been created. One of the things that I want to do is that I want my one of the walls that I will not create foundation for it is this part. Why is this? Because I can extend its wall to the down below. So what I will do is that, or let's go to the ground floor. Let me show you. Let me close the ceiling. Don't go to here, because sometimes I'll do mistakes and go to the ceiling plans and I will say, where is my ground floor? No, come to the floor plan and ground floor, and you can see something like this occurs. I want to have an outline of this, and I will deselect this. I don't want uh, these walls. I want just the exterior walls. Okay, deselect it. Then I'll say, let's go from the our top constraint is fine, but let's go to the base. The base is from the ground floor, isn't it? From the ground floor. I want to start it from top of foundation, so I'll go to here, and I'll say top of foundation, apply it, and here is uh, our wall. It's extended to the top of foundation. So this is how we created the wall of foundation for the spot. How about this? Actually, you should go to the where to the street level. Okay, to the street level, or let's go to the top of foundation, not street level. I'll delete the street level, and I'll go to the top of foundation. I cannot see anything. How can I bring back the ground to here? Actually, the tracing, the underlay, when we used to use tracing paper to copy our things. So I'll go with the ground floor, just apply it, and now you can see uh, your your ground floor. So I'm going to the walls, and I'll go to add something. Let me. I'll choose this one. Okay, let's see the thickness of it. It's 42.9. So I want it from the finished exterior. Yep, and I want to from the top of foundation, the base, till the top constraint, not from the street level, actually from the ground level. This will be 0. Okay, the top offset and base offset. Apply, and let's click on it, and let's have it here. Sometimes if it does not align with it, you'll just leave it here. Just leave it here, and I will just align it. AL, just select this, align it with this one. Okay, so another thing that I can do is that just go with this one, and let me, it says cannot create integral reveal for all wall instance. Sweep position is outside of its wall. Oh, so we should change the placement of it. Let me see. Let me just see what's the problem. Oh, the sweep is inside. That's the problem that we didn't notice. So I'll just select them. So delete. Actually, I would like to have the foundation for this one, the part we deselected. I'll select this one, this wall, the wall we had. I selected it, and let's go to the here, and I'll say to the top of foundation, and something like this has been created. So yeah, this is good. So let's go finish our this part. I'll go to the wall, and I'll not choose this one. Let me choose another thing. Let me see. Maybe this. Maybe. Let's go with the finish exterior. Let me add it, and let's hope it will not make any problems. Yeah, didn't make any problems. So if you start from here and escape it, you can just click on it. Okay, just click on it till here and escape, and try to connect. You can actually try to connect them with each other by activating the chain. Okay, so no problems, don't worry. So click on this, click on this part. Okay, so what I will do is that I'll trim this part, TR, for our trim and extend, TR. Okay, let's see, something like this pops up. Okay, this is something very nice. This is our foundation. Okay, it goes down below. So what I will do is that I will go to the street level. Yeah, street level, and I'll add a floor for it, and I will go to the floor, and I will select this one, 160 millimeter concrete with a 50 millimeter metal deck, and I'll try to choose this, and let me see where, let me see how can I add it. Actually, I will not go to the street level. Actually, I will go to the ground. Let me not forget. Let's close this. Yes, close it. The ground floor needs the floor. Okay, I made a mistake. That was a mistake. Okay, so what I'll do that is that I'll just click on here, something like this. Yeah, till here is good, but it's too long. Maybe just go with this. Let me see. Click, and maybe have something here. So I'll just pick, make a line here. Okay, just attach to it. Just try to trim with this one. No, it will not be trimmed. Let's just take it from here and trim it from this part, and maybe just delete this, trim it from here, because I saw a gap between them. So no worries, just finish edit mode, I'll say don't attach. I don't want them to be attached, something like this. And I will try to add the stairs, yeah, from the street level this time, isn't it? Let me think. Yeah, from the street level. I'll add a floor for it from this part to here, and let's have a wall. Let's, yeah, yeah, it's true. Let's have it here. Yes, finish it. And you have something like this. Let me go to the 3D. Yeah, this is what I want. Actually, we can extend this to here if you want. I suggest that to do it. It's better for us. I'll just delete these and trim it with this and trim it with this. Okay. And try to finish edit mode. Let me go to the 3D. Yep. This is what I want, and go to the street level, and let's go add a stair, and from the street level to the ground floor. Actually, I want the monolithic type, and just click on it and try to align it with here, with this part. Yes, this part, and align it with this, and try to increase increase it till here, or maybe, yeah, till here is good. Let me see. Yeah, it's fine, it works. Let's go finish edit mode. And as I can see, this is not the type of railing that I want. So I can select it, change the railing to the glass if I want. Yep. But as I see that this is not what I want, because if this is useless. If I delete this, nothing will change because there's nothing to fall down. Okay. So in the next video, I'll try to create a ramp for here, and to add a railing maybe. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.